goes aside from my soul.
Good morning and welcome to a day in the life of a primary school teacher in Dubai. It's World Book Day. However, it's not actually World Book Day, it's the day after World Book Day, but we've been doing a World Book Day week. So we've been focusing on a book throughout the week. It's also been an inspection this week too. It's BSO inspection, which stands for British Schools Overseas. I'll make a different video about what BSO is and KHD. That's not what this video is about. This video is about, well, today. This is my outfit, dressed as a character from the book that we've been focusing on this week. So we're not really doing book day activities. We've been doing a whole English planning thing. I am this one. It's meant to have two noses. As you can see, stripy top and red shorts. And then the aim is for all of us to kind of come in different outfits. So that's the plan. Other than that though, today is going to be quite a short day. It is a Friday, and a Friday in the UAE finishes at 12. I'm really excited because throughout today we should be doing a few different reading things, such as stop, drop and reads, and just getting the children passionate about reading. The first teaching video I made on this YouTube channel was a video 4 years ago, which was World Book Day back in the UK. So it's a really interesting thing to compare the two and think about how the two things are different. But not a lot has changed from 4 years ago. It's still about trying to get the children engaged in reading and passionate about reading. On the topic of reading resources and World Book Day, let me talk to you about today's video sponsor, Myon. Myon is literally the perfect sponsor for this video because they have a range of different books online for the children to access. It's not just a few books, it's over 6,000 books that are specifically tailored to the children's interests. When they first log on, they are given a list of different things and they can share whether they're more keen on, for example, animals versus maths. And then the children are given books to specifically suit that interest. As a teacher, I'm given a range of different tools so that I can see what the children are reading, how much they're reading, how much that is compared to the week before, and a range of different analytical things too. The children also have a range of different questions and tools so that as they're reading, they can access the book more easily. When they first log on, the children complete a test, which gives them a reading level. That reading level means that the books that the children are given are specifically tailored to their reading level too. Along with that, what's really good is that the children can also search to do with things involving the topic. So for example, in the background, you can see skeletons. So they'll be able to search something like skeletons, and then they'll be able to use those different tools such as read along and annotate to identify specific things. There's also a dictionary. So if there are tricky words in there, for example, let's say skeleton, they'll be able to pick those words out too. I can't wait for you to go and explore Myon and see how fantastic it is. And then hopefully you'll be able to get your children engaged with the over 6,000 books that are available on there too. Today, I've got quite a lot to do. We've been given the go ahead that I can now start putting tables in groups, which is extremely exciting. The only problem I have at the moment is that they have these on their tables. So my worry is that they're going to have those on the tables. I'm going to start moving things around and then things will fall over. So I'm a little bit worried about that. The only other thing I think I'm going to do is wait until the end of the day when I've cleared these pots out. And then from there, I'll probably start to organise things as well. So quite a lot to do today, considering it's just a short day, but we'll be fine. So there we go, class back to groups, which is really exciting because it's been a while and it'll be really nice to see how the collaborative learning starts to work a little bit more. We tried some Scratch. Scratch was a challenge. It's still something that I'm working on and the kids are working on too. And we've also had some class photos as well after the assessment for maths, and then after break, which they're about to go to, we'll be doing a little bit of English, finishing some persuasion and stuff like that, and then we're also doing some connected learning map work as well, so that'll be good too. Also, because it's the end of the week, the inspection week, the school have bought everyone Cafe Nero, because that's in our school, so coffee, and I've got a little muffin too, so that's also really exciting, on top of the food that I have and I've shown you this morning as well. So a little bit off plan, but definitely appreciated. there we go. 12 o'clock, Friday. It's always amazing on a Friday when we are finished nice and early. We then get that half day to go and enjoy in the sun. It looks very nice and sunny out there at the moment, so that's going to be exciting. We do have a 20-minute meeting from 12:10 to half 12 to go and find out about the BSO result. I'm not going to share all the BSO results because that is confidential, but it's quite exciting at the same time. Hopefully it's all gone okay. So today has been fantastic. After break, we went outside and did some reading outside. The children really enjoyed that. And then they were also using these custom maps through Google Maps, where I'd set something up to plot where the different chocolate factories were, and then the children could go and use that as a bit of a scaffold to help them to identify their own cocoa chocolate farms from around the world. So some great geography skills going on there too. And as I said before, yeah, some reading outside. We did do a little bit of a stop, drop and read as well, where the children stop, pick up a book and literally read, and it's just about trying to get the children engaged in reading. It's also been really nice as well. We did a really random wrap-in. Julia Donaldson books, like the Paper Dolls, are rhyming books, and a bit like the guy who's done the Gruffalo, MC Grammar. That way you can then start to try and wrap them, and the children thought it was really cool and just gets them a little bit more engaged in reading too. So end of the school video, and then I'm just going to kind of show a little bit of my life on a Friday too. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Feel free to jump off now. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, but I'm also going to show the rest of my Friday as well. So, end of the day, I can't really share much about the feedback. However, I will say it's great, and you can infer of that what you will. So now it's 1:45. I'm going to hit the gym and then enjoy the rest of the day. Mer has to be one of my favourite beaches in Dubai. It's not always the easiest to access with parking, but it's definitely really relaxing to go all the way along and then get an ice cream at the other side, which we're going to do, and then come back. So this is the Lotus Softie, and this is by far my favourite ice cream in Dubai. If you ever end up in Dubai, definitely recommend this. It would be pretty hypocritical on book day to not read myself, so to finish the day I'm going to read my book while watching the sunset. I'm going to read Biff and Chipper.
It's the new version of Biff, Chip and Kipper.
This is the adult Biff and Chipper.
Biff, Chip and Kipper.
Biff, Chip and Kipper.
Biff and Chip is the new version.
So yeah, this has been a day in the life of a primary school teacher in Dubai on a Friday, World Book Day. And we also wanted to say thank you to Mayan for sponsoring the video. Definitely go and check them out using the link in the description. If you haven't already had a chance to like the video, do that too, and hopefully you can subscribe so you can see future videos as well. I will see you in the next one. Until then, I'm going to read my Biff, Chip and Kipper book and I'm out.